Here you see the Dorsett Golden apple. This one is almost ready. I have them in a 15-gallon pot, so they're not gonna grow any bigger. And I noticed that they're ready because some of them are falling already. See? That one is. This is as big as they're gonna grow, and they're ready. I have them covered with paper towels because the birds were getting to them, and this way they don't bother them. Somebody asked me what I did to protect them. Is just put a paper towel over them, and then I either hold it with a staple or one of those. There's some more over there. The other one is, this one is the Anna apple, but these are not ready. They're supposed to pollinate each other, but this one I just planted this last year. This one's been about 3 years that I planted it here in the pot. Probably the roots are in the ground, otherwise it wouldn't produce that much fruit, I don't think. But they're good apples. I live in zone 9, so not many apples produce here, but these two varieties do. I noticed one of the branches was kind of breaking off, so I did that air layer, hopefully it roots, and then I have another plant because I noticed it has some damage right there, so I don't know if it's gonna make it in the long run, but this part is fine. As long as I can root it, I'll have another plant somewhere. Let's see. These are the Anna apples. These turn red. They look like Red Delicious, close to it once they are fully mature, but they're kind of different on the inside. Not as they taste different. So now I'm gonna try this Dorsett Golden apple and see what it tastes like. Pretty juicy and sweet. The Dorsett Golden apple. Hope that you enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos like this of plants and fruit trees in the garden. Thank you for watching.